A Chinese startup has unveiled a new battery that it claims can generate electricity for 50 years with the need for charging or maintenance. Beijing-based Betavolt said its nuclear battery is the first in the world to realize the miniaturization of atomic energy, placing nickel-63 isotopes into a module smaller than a coin. The company said the next-generation battery had already entered the pilot testing stage and will eventually be mass-produced for commercial applications like phones and drones. Before we proceed, we kindly ask you to support us by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and activating notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Remember, sharing is caring. Betavolt atomic energy batteries can meet the needs of long-lasting power supply in multiple scenarios, such as aerospace, AI equipment, medical equipment, microprocessors, advanced sensors, small drones, and micro-robots, the firm said in a press release. This new energy innovation will help China gain a leading edge in the new round of the AI technological revolution. The battery works by converting the energy released by decaying isotopes into electricity through a process that was first explored in the 20th century. Scientists in the Soviet Union and United States were able to develop the technology for use in spacecraft, underwater systems, and remote scientific stations. However, the thermonuclear batteries were both costly and bulky. The quest to miniaturize and commercialize nuclear batteries was taken up under China's 14th five-year plan, designed to strengthen the country's economy between 2021 and 2025, while research institutions in the US and Europe are also working on their development. Betavolt said its first nuclear battery can deliver 100 microwatts of power and a voltage of 3 volts, while measuring 15 by 15 by 5 cubic millimeters. However, it plans to produce a battery with 1 watt of power by 2025. Their small size means they could be used in series to produce more power, with the company imagining mobile phones that never need to be charged and drones that can fly forever. Its layered design also means it will not catch fire or explode in response to sudden force, Betavolt claims, while also being capable of working in temperatures ranging from -60 degrees to 120 degrees. The atomic energy battery developed by Betavolt is absolutely safe, has no external radiation, and is suitable for use in medical devices such as pacemakers, artificial hearts and cochleas in the human body, the company said. Atomic energy batteries are environmentally friendly. After the decay period, the 63 isotopes turn into a stable isotope of copper, which is non-radioactive and does not pose any threat or pollution to the environment. The battery will not catch fire or explode in response to punctures or even gunshots, unlike some current batteries that can be unsafe if damaged or exposed to high temperatures, says Chinese startup Betavolt. To create the radioactive battery, Betavolt scientists used nickel-63, which is a radioactive element, as the energy source and then diamond semiconductors as energy converters. The team developed a single crystal diamond semiconductor that is just 10 microns thick and then placed a 2-micron thick nickel-63 sheet between 2 diamond semiconductor converters. The decay energy of the radioactive source is then converted into an electrical current. Due to the modular design, multiple atomic batteries could be connected to provide a higher energy output that could power automotive technology and AI systems, just to name a few. Scientists in the Soviet Union and the United States were able to develop the technology for use in spacecraft, underwater systems, and remote scientific stations. However, the thermonuclear batteries were both costly and bulky. The quest to miniaturize and commercialize nuclear batteries was taken up under China's 14th five-year plan, designed to strengthen the country's economy between 2021 and 2025, while research institutions in the US and Europe are also working on their development, reads the Independent article. This technology could revolutionize electronics by removing the need for chargers or portable power banks altogether, creating devices that run continuously and whose batteries do not degrade in terms of capacity and lifespan over charging cycles as Li-ion batteries do. Such unlimited power could provide drones that fly continuously, phones that run constantly, and electric cars that don't require recharging. Recently, the miniaturization, modularization, and civilianization of nuclear batteries have been pursued by US and European researchers. China's 14th five-year plan and vision goals for 2035 also put forward the future development trend of the civilianization of nuclear technology and the multi-purpose development of nuclear isotopes. Betavolt nuclear batteries generate current through the semiconductor transition of beta particles, electrons, emitted by the radioactive source, nickel-63. In order to do this, Betavolt's team of scientists developed a unique single crystal diamond semiconductor with a thickness of only 10 microns. Diamond semiconductors belong to the class of ultra-wide bandgap semiconductors. Their dielectric breakdown strength is at least 3 times higher than that of SiC devices and also offers superior thermal conductivity. A 2-micron thick nickel-63 sheet was placed between 2 diamond semiconductor converters to convert the decay energy of the radioactive source into electric current and form a separate unit. Nuclear batteries are modular, can be composed of dozens or hundreds of independent unit modules, and can be used in series and in parallel, so battery products of different sizes and capacities can be manufactured. Nuclear batteries are not electrochemical batteries. The energy density is more than 10 times that of ternary lithium batteries. With 50 years of self-generating power, there is no concept of the number of cycles, 2,000 charges and discharges, as with electrochemical batteries. The power generation of the nuclear battery is stable and will not change due to harsh environment and load. It can work normally in the range of 120 degrees above zero and minus 60 degrees, and there is no self-discharge. Betavolt says its device is safe and emits no external radiation. Atomic energy batteries are environmentally friendly, the company says. The nickel-63 isotope decays into copper with a half-life of approximately 100 years. After decay, it would not pose any threat to the environment. Therefore, unlike existing chemical batteries, nuclear batteries do not require an expensive recycling process, Betavolt said. Betavolt has registered patents in Beijing and will begin to register global PCT patents. Betavolt has also communicated with Chinese professional nuclear research institutions and universities and plans to continue to study the use of strontium-90, plutonium-147, and deuterium and other isotopes to develop atomic energy batteries with higher power and a service life of 2 to 30 years. That concludes today's discussion. Please remember to like, comment, and share this content with fellow enthusiasts and relevant forums. Thank you, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our next episode.